Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a decree on Thursday on new rules of natural gas trade with unfriendly countries and regions, vowing to halt existing contracts if these buyers refuse to pay in rubles. Putin said that Western countries use the financial system as a weapon, and their companies refuse to fulfill contracts with Russian entities and individuals. And when Russian assets in US dollars and euros are frozen, it makes no sense to use the currency of Western countries. Also on Thursday, the Russian Foreign Ministry announced that the top leadership of the European Union has been barred from entering Russia in response to Brussels' massive sanctions. The restrictions apply to a number of European commissioners, heads of EU military structures, and the vast majority of lawmakers of the European Parliament promoting anti-Russian policies. The blacklist also includes representatives of the government and the parliament of some EU member states, public figures, and media workers.